Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new, I am Anna Maria and you are watching Miracle Orchids, the place you can learn everything there is to know about growing orchids. I have never seen ever such a moldy medium. I really hope you can see that. And this is not only on the surface, it is also in the root ball, all over the place. I am not sure how old is this medium, but it looks horrible. I am happy that I have new roots. Look at this. The root tips are getting black because the media is so break down. But I have new roots, so the orchid is going to be okay. I'm going to put a pop-up with some blooms, with some pictures of the blooms of this orchid. It has some buds in here. This spike has recently faded. So yeah, I'm happy to have this orchid, but the moldy situation is out of this world.